Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can get the voice chat on Roblox. So for getting the voice chat or being enabled to get the voice chat on Roblox, you need to verify your email address and you need to verify your age. I made this video especially to let you guys know that you cannot get voice chat option without verifying your age. So there are some big YouTubers out there that they are claiming that you can get the voice chat option, which is at the moment is in the beta version without verifying your age. But let me just show you that what they actually show, what the option we get when we just follow their videos. So once you just click on verify my age, so there are two options. The first one is you can verify your age by just driving license, passport or ID card or residence permit. The second option is you can use your smartphone and scan this QR code. And I saw one video on YouTube which is very popular, has about a million views, and that guy just went to this link over here, just click that, and then he moved to the very bottom end and said that if you want to get the beta version of Vice Chat without verifying your age, you just need to click over here. But he just manipulated this link and changed the text over here. You can see that the text over here is need more help, contact customer support. So if you want to know how you can get the beta version, I have already made a video on this. I will leave a link to that video in the description, and don't fall for the fake videos that shows that you can get verified or you can get the beta version without using your ID card. So I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.